Number 10. Set up a trust. Throughout history, wealthy families have devised clever strategies to maintain control and preserve their fortunes. To name a few, the Astors and Vanderbilts are there. Let's look at how trust works. Assume you have a family corporation, but instead of running a business, you place all your assets in this trust. The fascinating part is that while you no longer technically own the money, you still retain complete control. And that's not all. Once your wealth is within the trust, you can invest it as you see fit. Your net worth may appear modest, say $15 million on paper. However, considering the numerous trusts holding your assets, your wealth could exceed $150 billion. The beauty of this arrangement is that your money is safe because it no longer belongs to you directly. So, if you face a lawsuit or other financial difficulties, the assets of your trust remain untouchable, just as the funds of a corporation cannot be accessed through the founder's accounts. Another benefit of trusts is their ability to help your children avoid the burdensome death tax. So by passing on your wealth through the trust, your kids can effortlessly step into the role of trustees upon your passing. The benefit is twofold. They can gain control over the assets while minimizing tax liabilities. Number 9. Life insurance. Standard life insurance policies are pretty simple. You pay a monthly premium to the insurance company, and when you die, they pay a predetermined sum to your family. However, the super rich have discovered that they can modify their policies to be similar to supercharged bank accounts with additional tax benefits. They can invest far more money in their policies than ordinary citizens, and this money can grow tax-free. It's like having a secret investment account the government can't touch. Not only that, but their funds are also safe from creditors and legal issues. But here's the kicker. They can borrow money from their policies to invest in other things. Assume you have a life insurance policy with a cash value of $1 million. You can borrow $100,000 against that cash value at a lower interest rate than you could from a bank. The money can then be invested in something with a higher return, such as the stock market, which typically yields around 7% per year. Now, this is where things really get interesting. Even though you borrowed $100,000, the insurance policy's cash value of $1 million continues to grow at its rate. So while your borrowed $100,000 is earning 7% in the stock market, your $1 million cash value is earning its interest, say 5%. That means that you earn 7% on the $100,000 borrowed and 5% on the remaining $900,000 in the policy. The result? You end up profiting from the difference between the interest rate you pay on the loan, say 3%, and the rate of return on the borrowed money, 7%. This is referred to as an arbitrage opportunity. It simply means that you benefit from the different prices or interest rates. It's a clever strategy that the ultra-rich have used for years, and now you know their secret too. Another interesting thing they do is set up life insurance policies for their children and grandchildren. When they pass away, the money from these policies goes back into the family, ensuring that future generations have financial security. Number 8. Invest your money. Creating generational wealth is an exciting adventure that requires a little bit of patience and clever thinking. Remember that it won't magically happen overnight or in a single generation. But don't worry. Even if you don't have much money, you can still set the stage for generational wealth by passing your financial success to your loved ones. Forget about the traditional approach of simply handing over the money through a will, which often results in a one-hit wonder that fades away quickly. To make a lasting impact, you must improve your game and ensure your wealth thrives for future generations. The key is to go for long-term investing. Once your family has built a solid financial foundation, focus on low-risk investments that guarantee stable growth. Then comes the fun part. Diversify your investments. Combine long-term financial ventures with tangible assets. Unlike volatile stocks or bonds, physical assets offer more stability. Consider investing in valuable properties like land or commercial real estate. Yes, some upfront capital is required, but there is also less expensive options, such as gold bars or a collection of rare books. But wait, there's more. You can even go for unconventional investments like fine art or collecting treasures. These assets can appreciate over time, ensuring your generational wealth remains rock solid. Number 7. Buy, borrow, die. The buy-borrow die strategy is a clever approach that promises to help you avoid heavy capital gains taxes and potentially leave a financial legacy for generations. This strategy is popular among billionaires and savvy investors for all the right reasons. It involves a unique combination of buying, borrowing, and strategically planning for the endgame. Here's how it works. First, you purchase appreciating assets, such as stocks, real estates, or other investments with the potential to increase in value over time. But here's the twist. Instead of selling these assets and incurring significant capital gains taxes, you borrow against their value. To see the magic in action, suppose you bought a prime piece of real estate a few years ago and its value has skyrocketed. Instead of selling it and paying a hefty tax bill, you take out a loan against the property's equity. This will provide you with the required funds without incurring capital gains taxes. You now have the cash to invest in additional assets or enjoy the fruits of your labor. The most genius part of the strategy lies in the final step. When you die, your heirs inherit the assets at their current market value, erasing any potential capital gains tax liability. Isn't it amazing? The BuyBorrow Die strategy enables you to leverage the growth of your investments, access funds when needed, and ultimately leave a significant financial legacy to your loved ones while minimizing the burden of capital gains taxes. Remember, this strategy has complexities and potential risks, so do your homework first. Number 6. Have multiple income streams. Do not rely just on one source of income. Instead, you have to develop multiple income streams working together if you want to build generational wealth. Begin by diversifying your sources of income. The possibilities are endless. You could start a side business, invest in real estate, or play in the stock market. The best part is that you can protect yourself from financial setbacks by spreading your income across various sources. You can make use of the digital age. The online world is full of opportunities, and you can use it to increase your earnings. Start an online business, sell digital products, or become an affiliate marketer. You could even acquire valuable skills that can earn you a higher income. Become an expert in a specific field or industry, and let your expertise open doors to better paying opportunities. Lastly, remember to reinvest your earnings. Let your money work for you by putting it back in your income streams, allowing them to grow and multiply. Number 5. Apply leverage. When generating generational wealth, working smarter rather than harder is critical. One powerful way to do this is to use different resources and tools to boost your efforts. Let's look at some of the exciting ways to leverage and speed up your path to wealth. The first is financial leverage. This includes using other people's money, such as loans or margin accounts, to make investments that could result in higher returns. It's like having a financial boost to maximize your opportunities. Then there's the leverage of people's power. You can achieve more together if you surround yourself with talented people and form a strong team. Everyone contributes unique skills and knowledge, resulting in your success. Another game changer is the use of technology. Using the most up-to-date tools, automation, and digital platforms allows you to streamline processes, reach more people, and grow your business more quickly and efficiently. Marketing leverage is also essential. Using creative strategies, social media, and targeted advertising, you can expand your brand's reach, attract more customers, and increase your profits. Building relationships and connections are the core of networking leverage. By broadening your professional network, you open the door to new opportunities, collaborations, and valuable advice from other successful people. Finally, knowledge leverage is critical. Continuously learning and seeking guidance from mentors allows you to tap into their wisdom, avoid mistakes, and gain valuable insights to accelerate your wealth-building journey. By understanding and implementing these leverage strategies, you can work smarter and achieve long-term financial prosperity for yourself and future generations. Number 4. Automate your investing and saving. By automating your savings, you can ensure that a portion of your income is consistently set aside for the future. Imagine if a portion of your paycheck was automatically transferred to a saving account each month. Over time, that would pile up, creating a solid financial foundation for you and your family. Similarly, automating your investments works. You can set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts instead of manually deciding when and where to invest. This strategy takes advantage of market fluctuations and eliminates the guesswork, allowing you to accumulate wealth steadily over time. Automation simplifies saving and investing and removes the temptation to spend money that should be saved or invested. It takes the decision-making out of your hands, ensuring your financial goals stay on track. This way, You can focus on living your life while your money works quietly in the background, growing and multiplying. It's as if you have a financial assistant who works tirelessly to secure your financial future. Number 3. Minimize taxes. Minimizing taxes to generate generational wealth is an interesting approach the super-rich use. To begin, the ultra-rich use tax-advantaged accounts such as IRAs and 401ks. By spending money regularly and taking advantage of tax breaks, they can build up a lot of money over time while putting off taxes until they withdraw it. Charitable contributions are also significant in tax planning. The wealthy strategically donate to qualified organizations supporting causes they care about and benefiting from the tax breaks. This helps them effectively lower their taxable income. Furthermore, the super-rich reduce their tax liability by investing in areas such as renewable energy or low-income housing and contributing to initiatives that drive positive change. Lastly, complex business structures are utilized to optimize taxation. From setting up family offices to using offshore entities in tax-friendly jurisdictions, these strategies give you more control over taxes, asset protection, and international planning. While these techniques may seem complex, the underlying principles can inspire individuals to pursue such approaches to generate generational wealth. Number 2. Build an evergreen business. Have you ever wondered what it takes for a business to stay around forever? Look at famous brands that have become such a part of our daily lives. Consider companies such as Bosch that changed the world with their technology, or Dell, which made personal computers more affordable. Dyson and Harley-Davidson have also made their mark with groundbreaking inventions and famous motorcycles. Hewlett-Packard, Forbes, and Guinness are well known for their dedication to quality. Harrods has become a symbol of luxury shopping, while Hennessy and Jack Daniels have become masters of fine spirits. And the list goes on. People sure have worked hard to create names for themselves, their children, and their grandchildren. That's the true delight of generational wealth. And that's not all. Names like Mercedes-Benz, Burberry, Gucci, Versace, Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga, Fendi, and Chanel exude style and heritage. All these names teach us the importance of determination, innovation, and striving for excellence. So allow these brands to inspire you as you start your entrepreneurial journey. Consider starting a company that will leave a lasting legacy that future generations will be proud of. Number 1. Set clear financial goals. While everyone wishes to leave a lasting financial legacy, few people take the deliberate steps required to make this wish a reality. Indeed, setting a clear financial goal is the first step toward achieving generational wealth and securing a prosperous future. Consider the power of starting from a solid financial foundation, free of debt. If your parents could provide you with financial support for your education, you already possess a head start in the race toward financial success. Instead of focusing on student loans and debt repayment, you can focus on saving for retirement or building your first home. When it comes to setting financial goals, clarity is critical. Begin by identifying what truly matters to you. Do you wish to retire early, buy a new car, or own a home in a specific location? Is being debt-free a top priority as you approach retirement age? Focusing on your long-term goals can break them down into manageable short-term goals that will put you on the right track. To ensure your goals are realistic and attainable, embrace the SMART approach: specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-restricted. By accurately defining your goals, tracking your progress, ensuring they're within reach, aligning them with your values, and assigning deadlines, you can maximize your chances of success. To ensure your family's future is secure and prosperous, you need to think beyond short-term gains and focus on building generational wealth. This involves making intelligent financial decisions, such as investing in assets that appreciate value, diversifying your portfolio, and reducing unnecessary expenses. By creating a solid financial plan and sticking to it, you can establish a strong foundation for financial stability and success that will benefit your family for years. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can create more content like this. Thanks for tuning in.